Hey everybody, I'm Aaron, this is Michelle, and this is Megan. We are your SIEC program coordinators, and we're here to tell you about all the career development opportunities that the SIEC is offering you in January.
In January, our Spotlight on Careers will explore the business and finance sector. Join us on Wednesday, January 19th for our Spotlight on Business, where you'll hear from local business professionals sharing their career journeys. And there'll be time for questions, so make sure you register soon. And check out our Spotlight on Business page on our website, where you can hear interviews with industry professionals, as well as our PostSecondary Series that looks at the different programs in business and finance around our province.
And with a new year comes a new lineup of boot camps. So whether you enjoy cooking, working on cars, designing a video game, or working on hairstyling and aesthetics, we have something for you. So check out our website in January to see what's upcoming.
Do you want to win $10,000? I know I do, but I'm way too old to enter this competition. So if you're between the ages of 14 and 18, grades 9 to 12, you got an opportunity to enter the My Money, My Future Challenge. You can win $10,000 simply by creating a resource that's going to teach your friends across Canada about a specific financial literacy concept. Teachers visit saskmoney.ca, our secondary resources page, to gather some resources, and classes and individuals can be registered at mymoneymyfuturechallenge.ca. Students, speak to your financial literacy teacher. If you don't have a financial literacy class, you can enter on your own.
And don't you forget, we're partnering with Sask Polytech to offer you free job-ready training. So if you're looking to spruce up your resume, make sure you contact Jill or Michelle, and they can get you started.
And just a reminder that our Relevance Magazine is available on contact360.ca. Check out all these career development opportunities and information in this magazine. And teachers, check out the discussion guide as well.
And the best way to stay up to date with all things SIEC is to check out our website and follow us on our socials.
We look forward to working with you. Happy New Year.